Hey everybody, coming to you live from the new Ray Properties office. So check it out, pretty cool spot that we got here. There's our rhino in the back. Moved him in here. We got some vision board stuff we're gonna be doing. Anyway, wanted to come to you guys live today. I always like to share information that I find out if I think it can provide value to other people, especially in the investing world. But a lot of people out there, if you're not familiar with an HSA, it's a health savings account. So a lot of times if you have a high deductible insurance plan, you qualify for one of these HSA accounts. So what it is, for example, at my last employer, I could take money out of my paycheck every month and dedicate it strictly to this health savings account, and it would be tax-free. So it comes out, you don't pay taxes on the money. So it's great. It's an awesome vessel. You have to use that money to pay for health expenses, right? So if you're going to the chiropractor, for example, you can use that to pay your chiropractic. If you have, whatever, some kind of medical issue, your medical bills can come out of that, and it's all tax-free money. So essentially, depending on your tax bracket, say you're in the 30%, it's basically like you're getting 30% extra on that same dollar. Until recently, I just thought there's a max. If you're a family, I believe it's $6,300 you can contribute per year. If you're single, I believe it's $3,500, something like that. Anyway, Google it, check it out. But there's actually a way you can set up a self-directed health savings account. So what that means is you can put it into a custodian. I'm currently using a company called Equity Trust for that, but there's other custodians that you can use out there. And what they'll do is you can take that amount of money that you're setting aside, and then you can self-direct those funds into investments, right? So let's say you're young right now and you're like, man, I don't have a lot of health costs. I'm pretty healthy. I take care of myself. Max that sucker out, and then you can take that amount of money and you can invest it. Now, again, I'm biased. I love real estate, but if you like stocks, if you like mutual funds, whatever, as long as your custodian allows that vessel, you can grow that money and it's tax-free. So for example, in our world, we do wholesaling. So we wholesale properties, and so what we'll do is we'll get a property under contract, we sell our contract for a profit, we can buy that, or we can get that property under contract in our HSA account name. So our HSA is treated as a separate entity. We can take it just like you would an LLC, you would take it under contract with your HSA. Then when we sell our contract to somebody else, let's say we made $5,000 or $10,000 on that transaction, we take all of that $10,000 and now we can put it back into the HSA. So even though your contribution limit, if you're a family, $6,300 or $4,500 or whatever it is for a single person, you can grow that money as big as you want to grow it. So let's say you decided you're doing a business like we're doing in real estate, and you're flipping properties. Maybe you flip one of your properties using your HSA as your down payment money, or maybe that's what you have to use as part of your earnest money. Then when you sell your flip, all of your money goes back in to your HSA account, your profit. So really cool way to do it. Again, you can do it a bunch of different ways, but it's an awesome way to grow your future health expenses. And let's be honest, unless you died, in the next 2 years or something, like, you're probably going to have health expenses at some point in your life, or somebody in your family is. You're going to use the money at some point. So it's a really cool way to just start growing that vehicle right now, and have tax-free money available to dedicate towards your health and future health expenses. So anyway, just a little nugget I just learned about this stuff. It's a really cool, very powerful way to grow tax-free money. And as always, if you guys have any questions in real estate or investing or whatever, if I can help you, reach out at any time. Love talking about it. If I don't know the answer, I'll connect you to somebody who does. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.